If you've been following this podcast on a regular basis, you will know that I am doing lots of little Boostly tune-ups with members of the Boostly community all over the world. And for one host in the UK, we have been running a giveaway, a social media giveaway to get more eyes onto the business. And we've finished the giveaway. We've announced and awarded the winners, and they've been contacted. And I just wanted to share with you a couple of results and how it means the business owner that we have helped can work in the future. So let me share my screen. Now, as you will know, that we've been using Kingsumo. Now, if you have not watched any of the previous videos, please do go back on them. They massively will give you a bit of context of what we've been doing. So we use Kingsumo, and Kingsumo is really good for a couple of reasons. Number one, it takes it off Facebook. It takes it off Instagram. It takes it off the platforms where scammers and bots are trying to get at your followers on there. We've talked about this in detail in the past. Facebook still have done nothing about it. So by doing it on Kingsumo, we take it off platform. Another big benefit is that to enter the giveaway, the person has to give up the email address and sign up to your list, which is great. Obviously, if you've been listening to me a lot over the last couple of years, you will know that my favorite marketing tactic out of all of the marketing tactics that you could possibly do is email. It will, and forever will be the most important form of marketing your business. And again, with this, it was all about getting people on the mailing list, and then once they're on the mailing list, putting an offer out there and just letting them know more about us. And again, with Louise and with the In on the Why, Louise has now access to email templates because she's part of the Boostly Academy. She's got access to tutorials on how to use MailChimp and now to automate the process for when she runs it again in the future. So let's just go through the results. So 24 people minus me, because I entered, 23 people entered the giveaway. So that's 23 email addresses. Now, if Louise works at these emails and proper nurtures them and educates them about the business and what they do, and not only the accommodation side, but the pub and also as well the wedding facilities and the function rooms, there's an easy way that those 23 email addresses could bring in at least 4, if not 5-figure investment back into the business. That's how powerful email marketing is. As you can see here, it says 181 entries. So that means they've shared it on social media, they've shared it on Instagram, they've shared it around the world. So they've made it go a lot more popular by the people entering the giveaway sharing. And again, if you don't know what that means, please do go back on the previous videos because it will explain to you how that happens. So I've been really impressed. And again, you may be looking at thinking, only 24 contestants? Well, that's 24 email addresses. That's the main thing to look at this. And if you do this every 4-6 weeks, that small consistent gains alongside everything else that Louise is doing with a pop-up on the website, guest data collection at the point of arrival into the property, it means that we're going to start to grow this list from 200 to 300 to 400 to 500 to 600 and beyond. So again, I've been really encouraged by this, and I am looking to run a big social media giveaway training in the month of September. So if you are interested and if you'd like to find out more about that, I'll run it over 5 days. It'll be totally free. I'll guide everybody through the process. We'll do it as a group accountability training. I'll have other people from the world of Boostly helping me to help you. And if this sounds good, all you need to do is send me an email, mark@boostly.co.uk with just the word Kingsumo. Just the word Kingsumo, and let me know why you're interested, and I will look to put some on in September. Again, go to mark@boostly.co.uk. Send me the email, Kingsumo, tell me why you're interested, and if I get enough interest, I'll put it together at some time in the month of September. So, Louise, fantastic work. Thank you so much for letting me run this through the business and everything, and congratulations on getting email signups, which is great. Now I pass it over to you. Tell me exactly what you would give away if you're going to run a giveaway for your business on social media. And again, if you'd like to run this style of training with me for free for 5 days in September, mark@boostly.co.uk, title, subject, put Kingsumo, and then tell me why. All right, I'll be back tomorrow with another Boostly podcast episode. Until then, stay proactive, do not be reactive, and let's go and get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.